This is the flag of Turkey. This is the map of Turkey. Turkey is bordered by 8 countries. Bulgaria to the northwest, Greece to the west, Georgia to the northeast, Armenia, Iran and the Azerbaijan to the east, and Iraq and Syria to the southeast. The Mediterranean Sea is to the south, the Aegean Sea to the west, and the Black Sea to the north. Ankara is Turkey's capital and second largest city. Istanbul is the largest city and its economic and financial center, as well as the largest city in Europe. Here you can see the Bosphorus Strait, which connects the Sea of Marmara and the Black Sea. And you can see this strait divides the Istanbul city into Europe and Asian part. And this strait is called Dardanelles Strait. We are now in tour of Turkey. From Kolkata, we reached Istanbul via Delhi. We landed in Istanbul International Airport. Istanbul has 2 airports and we landed in the European side. The other airport called Sabiha Gökçen International Airport is on the Asian side. Our bus to the hotel has arrived to pick us up from the airport. This is our guide.
Your guide during your stay in Turkey, alright?
We are now driving through the outskirts of Istanbul city. People sometimes ask, is capital of Turkey Ankara or Istanbul? Ankara was Ataturk's headquarters from 1920 and has been the capital of the Republic of Turkey since its founding in 1923, replacing Istanbul following the fall of Ottoman Empire. Turkey is a country mainly in Anatolia in West Asia with a smaller part called East Thrace in Southeast Europe. Turkey is home to over 85 million people. Most are ethnic Turks, while ethnic Kurds are the largest ethnic minority. Istanbul Bosphorus, most important tourist region for local and tourists. We reached our hotel in Istanbul. This is Nidia Hotel near Galata port area. After check-in, we will now go for Bosphorus Cruise on Bosphorus Strait, and this cruise is one of the most touristic attraction of Istanbul. The reason why it is very important in terms of tourism is that many important historical buildings from the Byzantine and the Ottoman periods and many mansions are built along the banks of the Bosphorus. From the historical point of view, the most important buildings are Anatolian Fortress, Anadolu Kavagi, Beylerbeyi Palace, Maiden's Tower, Ortakoy Mosque Palace, Rumeli Fortress, and many other historical monuments. In front, we can see Dolmabahce Mosque. We all boarded our cruise boat. The dinner is ready. With this cruise, one can have an idea about the Turkish culture and the taste of the Turkish cuisine. Our boat has started. This side of the strait is the European side, while the other side belongs to Asia. So Istanbul is divided by this Bosphorus Strait in two. One is the European side and the other is the Asian side. This is one of the suspension bridges over Bosphorus Strait. There are total 3 suspension bridges over Bosphorus Strait. Our dinner has started. Bosphorus, which has been a great importance in the economic and geopolitical context for centuries, was controlled by many countries. In between, I am going outside to film both the coastline. In the distance, we can see the Golden Horn, that is the estuary towards the Black Sea. The Golden Horn is the estuary of the Albikoy and Kagithen rivers, collectively as the sweet waters of Europe by the early European travelers. It is called Golden Horn because the sun's yellow color reflects on the water and makes it golden. Golden Horn used to be the harbor where ships offloaded the goods. This is the palace adjoining the mosque. It is a place with magnificent view that connects the continents of Asia and Europe. Istanbul's Bosphorus Strait combines the Marmara and the Black Sea, is 32 kilometers in length. The strait extends from the Rumel coast to the shores of the Golden Horn. Both the coastline looks marvelous. This is Four Seasons Hotel. This is Serajem Palace, which is also another hotel. While having dinner, you have the chance to see magnificent historical monuments and get plenty of pictures. And obviously you can experience the famous Turkish belly dancing. The entertainment in our cruise boat has started. Now we'll have simultaneous cultural shows on the board. We'll enjoy this grand show along with our dinner.
শুনেছি তোমারি গান, আমি তোমারি শোভেছি প্রাণ, ওগো বিদেশিনী।
All out for entertainment in Bosphorus Cruise. We all participated in the show. The first bridge on the Bosphorus is known as the Bosphorus Bridge. This is the second bridge. Fatih Sultan Muhammad Bridge, also known as the second Bosphorus Bridge. This is Kuleli Military High School of Istanbul. Here you can see the third bridge over the Bosphorus Strait. Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge, also known as the third Bosphorus Bridge. After enjoying the Bosphorus cruise, we'll return to our hotel. In my next video, see the city tour of Istanbul. After seeing my videos, please do like, share and comment. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel.